So we got the TRX4 G500 4x4 squared. Also went and picked up the Bluetooth wireless module, as well as it came with the free light kit. Anyways, picked up the TX4 G-Wagon. It is the blue one. Really like the red. Wasn't trying to spend an extra $60 for it. White one doesn't exist, but it's going to exist for me pretty soon, especially if I don't like this blue. I was a little hesitant on getting it, but hobby store, this is all they had left. Got all these lockdowns going on. It's great. Can hardly get what you want. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm sure everyone's already seen an unboxing of one of these, so I didn't really care too much to do it, but it's blue. I hadn't seen a blue unboxing anywhere, so we're going to. So we got the transmitter up first. Did also come with the light kit. I also picked up the Bluetooth adapter for the TQI transmitters. I am very curious to see how well that works. I also have a Slash 4x4 Ultimate Edition, and would like to be able to take advantage of that. So this is my first time seeing one in person. I've seen the TRX4 Land Rover. When those first came out, I almost picked one up. But took a break from the hobby. Haven't had any for a while, but here she is. Let's go ahead and get this body off. I do not like blue, but I like this blue. Wow. Get the plastic off here. Wow. Oh yeah, we're going with the blue for sure. That is beautiful. Looks like we got some extra decals. I'm gonna assume they look like they're for the fender flares. Some tools, instruction booklet, normal Traxxas stickers. Yeah, that is the blue G-Wagon. Let me go and grab you guys off the tripod. So I'm going to try my best to get an accurate depiction of this blue. It is a darker blue, but on the camera it's a lot lighter. But that is a very beautiful blue. I love it. Okay, so in the middle of installing my light kit that came with my G-Wagon on here, and you have to plug in the light module into your receiver. So while I was in here, I decided to go ahead and throw on some marine grease. I would highly recommend it. It's a cheap insurance to help protect your receiver. And then once you have that dappered up all nice like, just go ahead and push in the O-ring. Then just go ahead and press your receiver together, and feel free to clean up what oozes out of there. So working on getting the slide assembly together for the G500, and man, is it an intricate little piece. I did not think it would be this entailed, but it's pretty cool. Oops.